In this video, we'll cover how to set up user credentials so you can run authenticated scans on your API. It's critical to add authenticated scanning to get the most comprehensive testing. This allows APIsec to simulate attacks on endpoints that require authentication. You can set up user authentication either by clicking the App Config button at the top or in the App Model Guide on the right. Click Add Authentication. So far, we don't have any credentials set up. Let's add one. First, you need to provide a name. This is just whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call this account Test User A. Next, we have to select what kind of authentication. There are many different types of authentication, and APIsec is extremely flexible to support virtually any model. Here are some of the most common methods. API key, just provide the header and the key. Basic, this just requires a username and password. OAuth 2.0. This one is a bit more involved. You need to provide the URL for the authorization server, the client ID, the client secret, and the type of grant. If needed, you can access more advanced options. Here you can specify where to insert the credential, and optionally the scope and audience. The next model is bearer token. This allows APIsec to request a token at the time of scanning. This requires 3 parameters: the authorization URL, the username, and password. Let me show you an example I set up for the Crepey API. Here's the authorization URL, the username, and the password. In this case, I do need the advanced section, as I need to set the content type to JSON and the username equal to the email address. I could also set password and response keys if necessary. We're adding wizards for additional authentication models, including digest, HMAC, and certificate.